The month of May is very significant for Bitcoin. The first Bitcoin transaction ever to happen was in May 2010. And this May 2020, we're having the third Bitcoin halving.
Hi, my name is Vuyokazi.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Vuyokazi. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you. It's the 7th episode of the Crypto 2020 series. Today we're talking about Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is a very important event that ensures that the value of Bitcoin goes higher over time. In the previous videos, we have established that Bitcoin is also like money, the same as rands, euros, pounds, and dollars. However, what is different is that Bitcoin is a digital currency. It cannot be printed. However, you can generate new Bitcoin through the process called Bitcoin mining. So every 10 minutes, new Bitcoins are being generated. But through the process of Bitcoin halving, it means every 4 years, the number of Bitcoins that get mined is getting less and less. And when you have less Bitcoin in supply, it means that there will be a higher demand for Bitcoin and the value of Bitcoin will go higher. So, Bitcoin started operating in the year 2009. That is when we had the first Bitcoin mining. At that time, it was 50 Bitcoins that were generated every 10 minutes. That happened for 4 years, from 2009 up until 2012. In 2012, we had our first Bitcoin halving event, whereby the 50 Bitcoins that were being generated was cut in half. It was 25 Bitcoins that were generated every 10 minutes from the year 2012 up until 2016. In 2016, we had our second Bitcoin halving, which means the 25 Bitcoins that were being generated were halved into 12.5 Bitcoins that can be generated every 10 minutes from 2016 up until 2020 May, next month. So from next month in May 2020 until 2024, the halving is going to happen, whereby it's not going to be 12.5 Bitcoins generated every 10 minutes. It's going to be cut to 6.25, and so on. It will happen up until we have 0 Bitcoins to be generated. And by that time, we will have 21 million Bitcoin in circulation. That should happen around the year 2140. And after that, no more new Bitcoins is going to come into circulation. So yeah, that is what drives the value of Bitcoin. The less Bitcoin in supply, it means the demand is going to get higher and the value is also going to get higher. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Vuyokazi. I hope you have catch something. If there's something you don't understand, please comment down below. Much love.